Hey folks, this is Micah with Funtown RV. Today we're taking a look at the 2024 Forest River Cedar Creek 391 Wow. First, we'll start with the exterior. We have full-size awning as well as auto level system, solid steps, and our telescopic handrail. Next, we'll take a quick view at our floor plan. We have a king bed in the master, large bathroom, big living area with our kitchen area towards the back. Now we'll take another look at that full-size awning we spoke about at first, as well as the slide toppers that are going to be over all of our slides to keep them safe from the elements and debris. Next, a quick look at those solid steps. Those will fold up and be tucked away when traveling. Then our full pass-through cargo, we're going to have an entry on both exterior sides as well as our power cord reel up there in the top corner. Now we get to the living area. We got a hidden storage compartment behind our entertainment area. We have theater seats over there to the left, large island, ton of counter space in the kitchen. We'll get into that next. Here's the kitchen area. So we have large island, ton of cabinets and counter space, as well as residential appliances. Farm style sink, we're gonna have storage in the cabinets above and below. We have our pull-out drawers for our pantry, ton of extra space in here. Then we have the residential size fridge. So ton of storage in here. We're gonna have freezer on bottom, fridge on top. Then we get to the dinette. So we're gonna have our two dinette chairs, and then we're gonna have our bench seat on the right. That bench seat also can be taken out and put in front of our theater seats as an ottoman. Then we get a flipped look at the living area. So we're gonna have those theater seats right behind me, and then over on the wall, we're gonna have our trifold couch for extra sleeping. Then that hidden storage area that we talked about before, right behind our entertainment center area, we're gonna have all the plug-ins to our TV, so if we wanted to hook up the DVR, PlayStation, anything like that, we can tuck it right behind. Next, we get to that big bathroom. So we're gonna have full walk-in shower with the seat, porcelain toilet, and his and hers vanity. Then a better look at our teak seat, and then our porcelain toilet. Now we get to the master. We have large king size bed. We're gonna have full-size closet in the back and a dresser. Better look at our king size bed, which will have storage underneath as well. It'll just lift up. Then opposed to that bed, we're gonna have the dresser, and then up on the wall, we're gonna have a TV already mounted. Now we get to the closet. So ton of storage space in here, as well as washer dryer prep. So if you're full-timing, this is definitely the unit for you. I'm Micah with Funtown RV, and this has been the 2024 Cedar Creek 391 Wow. If you or someone you know is looking for an RV, you can shop from the comfort of your home from one of any of our 24 locations.